This is like the most nerve-wracking moment of the entire week for me because there is so much great work that went into these AXIAM Awards. The amount of effort that went into the actual work underneath of them at the agency level throughout the past 18 months or more. And so you start thinking about this at awards, an event where it's kind of a fun little voting and it's trying to have a fun time in the process. But I will stray very strongly once again, each of these agencies that put forth what they're doing is an excellent example for all of us, for each of us. And so whatever the voting was, this time we did more of a polling, so it's kind of a popular vote type of thing. And so, every one of you that contributed to this award, the work underneath that was actually done, as well as then the presentation preparation, the nomination submission, the delivery of what you're doing in your agency is so wonderful for us just within this industry amongst ourselves. It's a great reminder that we should each be looking for ways to drive user value at our agency in what we're doing. And so I want to first start with a very strong round of applause for each and every entrant who's a great winner here. I think the technology of Slido worked well. We had 128 votes. We did verify and validate that there was one vote. You could change the vote until it was closed, but there was one and one vote only by machine. And so it was a very good, clean process. Let's kind of walk through where we're at here. What we'll do is we'll get a chance to have, this is last conference, just as a kind of, we're up into this thing now. We've got recognition. I want to identify here what each of these say. Everyone gets one of these at least to bring back to the organization, to share this with your organization, all the way from honorable mention to runner-up to the winner of this particular voting process. And so with that, we'll bring up each of the agencies, and then we'll have everybody sit down. We're going to have some closing comments and talk about this evening afterwards. And then at the end, after the closing comments, I'd like each of the participants to come back up and we'll do a nice little picture. But you guys don't have to watch the pictures being taken. So we'll do that at the very end. Okay. During the voting process, just a reminder of what this is all about. Excellence in infrastructure asset management. And with that, here are the votes. Here's where we went on the number of votes and the percentages. And so the winner is Oklahoma DOT. Oklahoma, thank you. Congratulations. And then we also have with Louisiana, City of Austin, Texas, Alaska, Kentucky, New York. Each of you guys did such a great job, and very much appreciate that. So if we can just hold off on the trophy. Well, let's bring them back up. Let's start with New York State. Where is Patrick? Where's Patrick at? Patrick, come up here, and let's go ahead and provide this to you on behalf. Actually, is remind
them we need to get the trophies back.
Yeah, we're gonna get the trophies back, but we want to recognize it because we're going to put your name engraved on it.
That's my name.
Not your name. No, not your name. Yeah, not your name. But please extend so much appreciation to the entire NICE team. Congratulations. Very good. Yeah. Go ahead and take it for now. Yeah, thanks. Kentucky, Chad. Such a great job, Chad. Chad had first time he presented it on this time. He did a great job. The things that you guys are doing up there at Kentucky is awesome. So thank you so very much.
Congratulations.
Alaska. Where's Alaska? Dan, oh, we changed a little bit. You got a haircut. Nice. Okay, you got great job there in Alaska. Looking forward to years to come. Yeah. Texas. Where is Texas? Jenny, I think you've got a great program up there. Thanks so much. You gave not only here, but also the presentation yesterday. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Ed Poppett, City of Austin. Is Ed here? There he is. Excellent, Ed. Great job on the program, the smart group.
Got better.
Yeah, thank you. Congratulations. Great job. And Louisiana. Where's Mr. Corsi representing Louisiana Department of Transportation Development? Great work out there on that mobile side. Excellent job. She has 2 chances of Price is Right. Well done.
That's right.
Very good, yeah. And finally, Oklahoma. Where's Alex at? Oklahoma Department of Transportation. Great job.
Doing a fine job.
Well done.
The whole team.
That's right.
Minnesota, by the way.
Yeah. Very good. Okay. Well, we'll continue to be looking for additional great things happening over the next 18 months, and we'll continue to refine our process. So